In Unit 1, we saw where the European, African, and American worlds collided in North America. In Central and South America, we learned where vibrant civilizations built vast empires, while in North America, there were smaller tribal cultures with a complex pattern of cooperation and conflict. Europe was a world in transition, increasingly desiring goods from Asia, while in Africa, empires and city-states lived in uneasy coexistence. Furthermore, we learned how to analyze primary sources with a critical eye. Our story continues to develop in Unit 2 as we see that the increasingly sophisticated economies of the European nations led to greater rivalry for riches. These rivalries spread to the New World as a race to claim glory, land, riches, and God's favors. And these efforts put these Europeans into direct conflict with the native people. The Spanish took the lead in the race, and we will see how the Native Americans suffered greatly from their encounters with the Europeans, especially as they encountered European diseases to which they had no resistance. By the mid-17th century, we will see Spanish, Dutch, French, and English settlers in North America, and the complex patchwork of cooperation and conflict continued in the form of both clashes between the European rivals and the Native Americans, as well as more peaceful encounters. We will learn of the impact of the exchange of goods, ideas, and tragically, diseases as they altered the lives, habits, and tastes of the European settlers and the Native Americans alike. We will continue to analyze primary sources as they help us to understand the historical context. As students of history, we must strive to understand how people in the past perceived the world around them and what they determined to be appropriate behavior for that time. If we are indeed to learn lessons from our history in order to improve society today, we must look at history within the culture of the times. Let's see what's next with our story.